Robinson Crusoe. Question and answers. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? Answer. Robinson Crusoe thought that the print was a footprint because it had toes, heel, and all parts of a human foot. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Answer. He was afraid because he mistook every bush and every tree to be a man. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Answer. Robinson thought it was the footprint of a savage. He was afraid that savages would kill and eat him, so he prayed for protection. Choose the right answer. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he, answer B, was afraid. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he was afraid. He could not sleep because, answer B, he thought savages had come from the mainland. He could not sleep because he thought savages had come from the mainland. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Answer C. He had not come to his part of the beach in a long time. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Answer C. Alone in an island. How would you feel if you see unknown footprints outside your front door? Answer. I would also feel like Robinson Crusoe. If you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? Answer. I will go to the door and peep through the hole to see that who is there. Then I'll ask who is there. If there is someone whom I know, I shall open the door. Otherwise, I'll tell him to come later. The words in the sentences are jumbled. Alone was not Robinson, an island on. Answer. Robinson was not alone on an island. Was island the inhabited? Answer. The island was inhabited. Footprint to someone this belonged. Answer. This footprint belonged to someone. I around me looked. Answer. I looked around me. I went the towards footprint large. Answer. I went towards the large footprint. Was afraid I now. Answer. I was afraid now. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. I was frightened but curious. Answer. But. I decided to go to the beach, so I went along the water's edge. Answer. So. I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. Answer. Because. I was very tired and confused. Answer. End. Write a story on strange footprints. Where did you see the footprints? What sort of a day was it? Did you see them at night? What happened when you followed the footprints? What did you see? What happened then? Story. We went to Jim Corbett National Park for family vacation. One day, a very strange incident happened with me. We were sleeping in our tent when suddenly I heard a strange sound outside my tent. It was a very dark night. I was feeling extremely scared. I looked out for a torch and went outside without informing anyone. After walking 5 to 10 steps, I saw strange footprints imprinted on the muddy ground. They were very tiny footprints, and that too had 7 fingers. I was completely amazed to see the extraordinary footprints. I kept on following the footprints and came very far along following them. But to my disappointment, I wasn't able to find any more there.